Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to paint in Snapseed. Snapseed does not have a traditional paint tool like regular art program. However, it does offer a powerful brush tool that allows you to selectively edit specific areas of your photos in various ways. So, the first thing to do is to open up your photo on Snapseed. Launch open the Snapseed application and tap on the plus button. Select a photo you want to edit from your device's library. After you've chosen a photo, tap on Use at the top right. Now from the picture preview page, click on Tools at the bottom center of the screen. From the list of the tools, click on Brush. The Brush menu allows you to customize the brush for your painting effect. Click on the brush option at the bottom right and then go to Dodge and Burn. Now move your finger on your screen to give your photo a whiter effect. If you want a darker effect, then you'll need to click on this arrow facing downwards on the bottom and brush your finger on the middle of the screen towards your photo, and this will burn your photo. Now go to Exposure and then increase the exposure to lighten specific area on your photo. You can increase or decrease the exposure by using the arrow at the bottom of the screen according to your preference. Now the next option is temperature. You can go ahead and increase or decrease the temperature intensity by clicking on the arrow at the bottom. Swipe your fingers in order to increase or decrease the temperature on your image. The next tool is Saturation inside Brush tool. Go ahead and swipe your finger throughout the image and you will be able to give your image a more vibrant look. You can also decrease the saturation for a more muted effect. After you make use of all of these brush effects, you will be able to paint on Snapseed. Simply go ahead and brush your finger throughout the area you want to edit on your picture, and then you will be able to achieve a variety of painting effects using Snapseed with the brush tool. After you are happy with your result, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and click on Export at the bottom right in order to export your photo in your device's library. Click on one of the save options in order to do so. So that's how you will be able to paint in Snapseed, or in other words, make your picture look more colorful on Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.